Vision loss, blindness, is more feared by the general population than anything else in healthcare other than cancer.
Heard of people suffering a sudden stroke, and that's when the blood to your brain stops.
But what about a stroke in your eye?
Well, Pat and Rick, imagine this. A Pasadena man goes to bed. He wakes up the next morning and he's lost half of the vision in one of his eyes.
According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, an estimated 93 million persons, or roughly 4 out of every 10 in the United States, are at high risk for significant vision loss. Vision loss is one of the top 10 disabilities among people 18 and older. Are you tired of squinting at screens all day? These smoothie recipes might just be the refreshing sight your eyes need. In this video, we'll explore eye diseases to cause vision loss. Delicious and nutritious smoothies consist of ingredients known to boost eye health and vision, and how to prepare them. I can guarantee the last 3 would blow your mind, and you weren't aware of them before. Few results of scientific studies conducted would also be shared. Additional tips would also be given to increase the protection of your eyes. Importance of eye health.
Vision loss can be devastating to families. It doesn't take one's life like heart disease can, but it can take away quality of life.
Good vision is essential for daily activities and overall quality of life. Protecting your eyes can prevent long-term vision problems. Key nutrients for vision repair. According to American Optometric Association, vitamin A 400-700 micrograms, vitamin C 500 milligrams per day, vitamin E 400 international unit, omega-3 fatty acids 1 gram per day, particularly eicosapentaenoic acid and docosahexaenoic acid, lutein 10 milligrams per day, zeaxanthin 2 milligrams per day, and zinc 11 milligrams for men and 8 milligrams for women per day are crucial for maintaining and improving eye health. Eye diseases. Your risk of developing an eye disease increases as you get older. The most common eye diseases include cataracts, a condition in which your vision becomes blurred. Age-related cataracts are the primary cause of visual impairment and blindness worldwide. Diabetic retinopathy. It is linked to diabetes and is a leading cause of visual impairment and blindness. Occurs when high blood sugar levels damage the blood vessels in your retina. Dry eye disease. A condition characterized by inadequate tear fluid, which causes your eyes to dry out, causing pain and possibly sight issues. Glaucoma, a category of illnesses characterized by gradual degeneration of the optic nerve, which transmits vision information from the eyes to the brain. Glaucoma can cause poor vision or blindness. Macular degeneration. The macula is the center of your retina. Age-related macular degeneration, AMD, is a leading cause of blindness in developed countries. Now let's jump to smoothies. Say goodbye to boring eye care routines and hello to vibrant smoothie solution. Note: opt for fresh, organic produce to maximize nutrient intake and avoid harmful pesticides. 1. Carrot and orange delight. Ingredients: 2 large carrots, peeled and chopped. 2 oranges, peeled and segmented. 1-inch piece of ginger, peeled. 1 tablespoon honey. 1 cup water. Carrots are high in beta-carotene, which is transformed to vitamin A and is necessary for preventing night blindness and preserving overall vision health. A 2006 study in the United States with 2,500 participants discovered that beta-carotene supplementation lowered the risk of age-related macular degeneration by 25%. Oranges are high in vitamin C, which promotes collagen synthesis in the cornea and protects the eyes against oxidative damage. Ginger contains anti-inflammatory qualities, which can help reduce inflammation and protect against eye illnesses such as diabetic retinopathy and uveitis. Honey, on the other hand, delivers natural sweetness without causing a blood sugar increase and helps to minimize eye strain. 2. Spinach and kale. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh spinach, 1 cup fresh kale, stems removed, 1 banana, 1 cup almond milk, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, optional. Spinach and kale are high in lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that help prevent cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. A 2015 UK study of 4,000 individuals found that increasing lutein and zeaxanthin intake was associated with a 43% lower incidence of age-related macular degeneration. They promote retinal health and block out blue light to prevent damage. These leafy greens also contain vitamin C and beta-carotene, as well as vitamin E and zinc, which help to maintain ocular tissue integrity and promote excellent vision. Bananas include potassium, which aids in maintaining normal ocular pressure and fluid balance within the eye, while almond milk provides vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that protects the eyes from free radicals. Chia seeds high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are vital for retinal health and reducing the risk of dry eyes. 3. Berry Blast Smoothie. Ingredients: half cup blueberries, half cup strawberries, half cup Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon flax seeds, half cup water or juice. Blueberries are high in vitamin C and antioxidants including anthocyanins and flavonoids, which help protect the eyes from free radicals. According to research, chemicals found in blueberries may have neuroprotective properties, including the protection of retinal neurons. Strawberries are also high in vitamin C, E, and antioxidants, which assist to lower the development of cataracts, promote retinal health, and increase collagen formation. A 2012 Finnish study involving 3,000 individuals discovered that a high antioxidant intake from berries lowered the risk of cataracts by 33%. Greek yogurt has protein, which promotes overall eye health and aids in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, while flax seeds include omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for minimizing dry eyes and maintaining retinal integrity. 4. Mango and avocado smoothie. Ingredients: 1 ripe mango, peeled and chopped, half avocado, 1 cup fresh spinach, 1 cup coconut water. Mangoes contain vitamin A, which is necessary for eye health and vision. A 2010 study in Mexico involving 2,200 volunteers found that vitamin A from mangoes greatly enhanced night vision after a year. Avocados include healthful fats and lutein, which improve food absorption and protect against eye illness. Spinach contains additional lutein and zeaxanthin, which protects against age-related macular degeneration. Coconut water promotes hydration, which is essential for maintaining proper eye function. 5. Citrus and beet smoothie. Ingredients: 1 medium beet, peeled and chopped, 2 oranges, peeled and segmented, 2 large carrots, peeled and chopped, 1-inch piece of ginger, peeled, 1 cup water. Beetroot, a natural source of dietary nitrates, is transformed to nitric oxide by the body. A 2018 study in the United States, with 1,800 individuals, discovered that frequent beet eating enhanced ocular blood flow and reduced the incidence of glaucoma, diabetic retinopathy, and hypertensive retinopathy. Nitric oxide promotes vasodilation and increases blood flow to the eyes, supplying vital nutrients and oxygen to ocular tissues. Beetroot contains betalain, a chemical with anti-inflammatory effects. Oranges are high in vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production in the cornea, and also combats oxidative stress. Vitamin C and orange flavonoids may help protect the eyes from UV radiation. UV rays can raise the risk of eye diseases such as cataracts, pterygium, and AMD. Carrots add beta-carotene, and ginger contributes anti-inflammatory benefits that support overall eye health. 6. Tropical green smoothie. Ingredients: half cup pineapple chunks, 1 kiwi, peeled, 1 cup fresh kale, stems removed, 1 cup coconut water. Pineapple and kiwi are abundant in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help protect the eyes from free radical damage and promote collagen development. A 2017 Australian study including 3,500 people found that high vitamin C intake was associated with a 39% lower chance of developing cataracts. Kale provides lutein and zeaxanthin, which are essential for guarding against age-related eye problems. Kiwi also contains catechins, such as epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which help fight free radicals. Coconut water hydrates and replenishes electrolytes, improving general eye function and lowering the risk of dry eyes. 7. Tomato and bell pepper smoothie. Ingredients: 2 tomatoes, chopped, 1 red bell pepper, chopped, half cup fresh basil leaves, juice of 1 lemon, 1 cup water. Tomatoes are high in lycopene, which protects the eyes against oxidative damage and lowers the incidence of macular degeneration. An Italian study conducted in 2011 with 1,500 participants discovered that lycopene from tomatoes lowered the incidence of macular degeneration by 25%. Red bell peppers have significant levels of vitamins A and C, which promote eye health and lower the risk of age-related illnesses. Basil provides anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation can lead to a variety of eye disorders, including dry eye syndrome. Lemon juice gives an extra dose of vitamin C, which promotes collagen synthesis in the cornea. 8. Chia seed and pomegranate smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup pomegranate, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, ½ cup Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon honey, ½ cup water or juice. Chia seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for reducing dry eyes and boosting overall eye health. A 2016 study in the United States of America with 1,200 participants discovered that omega-3 fatty acids derived from chia seeds significantly improve dry eye symptoms. Chia seeds are high in zinc and selenium. Zinc helps carry vitamin A from the liver to the retina, where it is converted into melanin, a protective pigment in the eyes. Pomegranate juice includes a high concentration of antioxidants, specifically polyphenols like flavonoids and tannins. According to research, antioxidants in pomegranate juice stimulate blood flow to the eyes, delivering a necessary amount of oxygen and minerals, while Greek yogurt delivers protein for overall eye health. Honey offers natural sweetness and reduces strain on the eyes. Additional tips: maintain a balanced diet with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Stay hydrated by drinking lots of water throughout the day to reduce dryness and improve eye function. Protect your eyes from UVA and UVB rays by wearing sunglasses that completely shield them. Use the 20-20-20 rule when using digital devices. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break to look 20 feet away. Schedule annual eye exams with an optometrist or ophthalmologist, or as advised according to age and risk factors. Practice eye exercises to strengthen muscles, increase attention, and minimize strain. Get 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to rest and recuperate your eyes. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Your appreciation means a lot to us. Comment down if you know any other important smoothie for improving vision. Subscribe to our channel so that we can provide you with further quality content to improve your health.